Your brain has a secret garbage disposal system, and it only works while you sleep. But if your neck is off, that cleanup crew might be on strike. This is called the glymphatic system. This is how your brain literally takes out the trash every night while you sleep. Think of it like a brain car wash. While you're in deep sleep, cerebrospinal fluid rushes through your brain, flushing out toxins, plaques, and metabolic junk that would otherwise build up over time. But here's where it gets wild. This entire system depends on proper spinal fluid flow. And guess what plays a massive role in that flow? That's right, the upper neck. Specifically, your atlas and axis vertebrae. Even a slight misalignment up top can kink that hose, slowing down that fluid and backing up the brain detox system. No flow, no cleanup, which means a foggy and tired brain. Here are some signs that your glymphatic system might be struggling. Poor sleep, brain fog, headaches, chronic fatigue, feeling off but not sure why. Your body's not broken, your brain's just clogged. Here's where upper cervical chiropractic care shines. With precise, gentle adjustments, no twisting, no cracking, we correct that top area of the spine so the cerebrospinal fluid can flow like it's meant to. Better alignment means better drainage, which means clearer brain, which means a better you. Drop a comment if you had your atlas checked or if this just blew your mind.